Okay, we're making a documentary. Documentary for a Honda 50. Okay, this is how I'm doing the documentary. This is how you sand them down, so you get original color. Okay, it's a lot of work. A lot of work. We'll be sending this on YouTube for 1 million hits. Just got to get it down to the bare frame, and you work it like that. The motor done. Put the motor in there. Should have me a narrator, but this is going to be one of the most nostalgic pieces of art you've ever seen. This is probably day, boy, got parts all over the place. Probably day 7, off and on. And we're about going to conclude that documentary now.
That's all for Bill Vila.
That's what?
That's all for Bill Vila right now.
From who?
Bill Vila.
Belvita. Okay. That's all from now from Team Honda.